This video is going to explain the development of the larynx, trachea and bronchi. As we have already seen, the laryngotracheal tube gives rise to the larynx. But how? The endodermal lining of the laryngeal tube, which is derived from the foregut, will form the epithelium and the glands of the larynx. On the other hand, the laryngeal cartilage, muscles and connective tissue are developed from the mesenchyme of the pharyngeal arch 4 to 6. The rapid proliferation of epithelium during the development of the larynx causes a temporary occlusion of the lumen. Later, due to the expansion of the wall and epithelial apoptosis, recanalization occurs at the week 10. Let's look at how the trachea forms. The endodermal lining of the laryngotracheal tube, which is derived from the foregut, will form the epithelium and the glands of the trachea. The mesenchyme around the laryngeal tube will form the hyaline cartilage of the trachea, the C-shaped anterior portion, the muscles of the trachea, the posterior portion, and finally the connective tissue of the trachea. You can also see some genes which regulate the development of the trachea. The caudal end of the laryngotracheal tube develops as the bronchi and lungs. The pulmonary epithelium is a derivative of endoderm, while the lung mesenchyme is a derivative of visceral mesoderm. Epithelial mesenchymal interactions cause branching of the respiratory tree through signals. For example, fibroblast growth factor from the surrounding mesoderm. Let's look at the branching in detail. The distal end of the laryngotracheal tube divides into two bronchial buds. These form right and left primary bronchi. They grow laterally in the surrounding mesenchyme within the pericardio-peritoneal canal. Then at week 5, secondary bronchial buds start developing, 2 on the left and 3 on the right side. These will become the lobar bronchi. By the 7th week, the respiratory tree gives more branches, tertiary bronchi, in other words, segmental bronchi. You can see 8 to 9 on the left and 10 on the right. Each of these bronchi with the surrounding mesenchyme will be the primordium of a bronchopulmonary segment. Subdivisions continue. By the 6th month, there will be 17 generations of subdivisions and 6 more in postnatal life. The next video is going to explain the maturation of the lung.